base plates, cylinders, doors, or your usual 1x4 brick. It's gonna be legendary. My grandfather always used to tell me I could never make money off of playing around with bricks. True, I tried to invest in stock market but failed. But with this masterclass, I'm able to teach you any bullshit and make money off of it. At the age of 4, I've made first contact with Lego and I was completely hooked from then on. In this masterclass, we will not only learn the details about choosing the right brick to create the highest possible structural strength, but I will also tell you about the Lego brick organizing strategy which is used in commercial Lego craftsmanship. To start off a new project, always think about the concept first. Building bigger and higher might be fun, but don't forget to do your mass and stability calculations. The first lesson will be starting with very basic brick theories and then teach you very complex system knowledge like LBOs and stuff. This is the kind of course I was always looking for but never found. Have you ever dreamed about having a yacht, a luxury property or a private jet? Now, don't ask yourself if the project is feasible. It's only about what's imaginable. With the right state of mind, you can do anything. For me, Lego was always a kind of way to express my inner self. It's the only way I'm still allowed to dream in this highly regulated world. Imagine yourself walking through the ship. What kind of accommodation would a passenger like to have? Think like a Lego character, but feel more like a human. I am Floryan, and this is my masterclass.